In this video, I will show you how to fix app notifications not showing on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. Follow these simple steps carefully. First, open the control center and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If it's on, you won't receive any notifications. Next, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then, tap on Show Previews and select Always. This will make sure you always see app notifications on your iPhone. Now, open the Settings app again. Scroll down to General and select Software Update. If a new update is available, install it. Sometimes, software bugs can stop notifications from appearing. If none of these steps helped, you can try resetting your settings. To do that, open Settings, go to General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. After the reset, your iPhone will restart and your notification system should work normally again. That's how you can fix app notifications not showing on your iPhone 17 series. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone 17 tutorials.